Wood in school. Wood can be used in schools in many ways, from building construction to classroom furniture and educational materials. Here are some common uses of wood in schools. Building construction. Wood is a versatile and sustainable building material that is commonly used in schools for framing, flooring, and walls. It provides good insulation and is energy efficient, which helps schools save on heating and cooling costs. Classroom furniture. Wood is often used to make desks, chairs, bookshelves, and other classroom furniture. It is durable, easy to clean, and has a natural aesthetic that can enhance the learning environment. Educational materials. Wood is also used to make educational materials such as blocks, puzzles, and toys. These materials can help young children develop their fine motor skills, spatial reasoning, and problem-solving abilities. Art projects. Wood can be used in art classes to create sculptures, models, and other three-dimensional artworks. It is a versatile material that can be shaped, carved, and painted in many different ways. Wood in the perfume industry. Wood is a common ingredient in the perfume industry and is used to create a range of scents, from earthy and woody to sweet and spicy. Some popular types of wood used in perfumery include sandalwood, cedarwood, and patchouli. Sandalwood is known for its warm and creamy scent and is often used in oriental and spicy fragrances. Cedarwood has a fresh, clean scent and is often used in masculine fragrances. Patchouli has an earthy, musky scent and is commonly used in oriental and cheaper fragrances. Wood is typically used as a base note in perfumes, meaning that it provides a long-lasting scent foundation that lingers on the skin. The essential oils extracted from these woods are often expensive and highly valued in the perfume industry, as they add depth and complexity to a fragrance. Overall, wood is a versatile and important ingredient in the perfume industry and is used in a wide range of fragrances to create unique and memorable scents.